one is eating the poo from another one.
He must be desperate.
He's eating sea lion shit.
Oh my.
Might be nutritious. I don't know.
Maybe he needs something, otherwise
Yeah.
he would be eating it.
Look at that bone.
Mama said no, no, no. You can't have it. You have to find your own one.
Oh, the boat's there.